Dear Miss Brown, on your behalf, I have spoken to a number of persons in the vicinity of Woburn Park with respect to your plots. They all agreed that building is not very active at this time, and I think there is no doubt that, if you sold the plots today, you would not get more than you paid for them. New paragraph. A representative of one of the local building firms said that he believed it would be better to put them on the market in the spring. If you approve, I will ask him to put the plots on his list for sale at not less than £500 each. This figure would be a little above the price you paid, and I think that, even in the spring, this is the most attractive offer you can expect to get. New paragraph. The firm which this man represents is one of the best known locally, and I am sure they will serve you to the best advantage. Their name and address is Burn and Green, 69 Woburn Park Drive, Brighton. New paragraph. I think they are the largest of the firms which have built houses in Woburn Park. Their representative says that they have several plots of their own which they expect to sell in the spring. In as much as you are out of town, I think it would be to your advantage to have them act on your behalf. Yours very truly,